This is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So to begin with, open up the Wi-Fi settings by launching Control Center and touch and holding to be exact, at the Wi-Fi shortcut or tile. In here, choose the network that you would like to share password of. Then tap at the cog icon to networks right. Then at the bottom left corner you'll see the QR code button which you want to click on, and the system will provide you with the QR code that you can further scan with any device and get the aforementioned device, smartphone, whatever, connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. You can also share it through various sources, like quick share, nearby share, or chat apps if you have any. So that would be it, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.